itchy eyes, then you want to pull it to the side, right? So if your eyes, whether it's like you got allergies, like here in Austin, Texas, cedar is in the air, so people have itchy eyes, or maybe you got some pink eye, or you touch something and then you have some bacteria infection, your eye swelling up. So what you want to do is you want to pull your eye to the side to help it drain. So what you want to do is put and if it's this side, you want to grab around your head and you want to pull your eye. See, pull it to the side, right? And it's really helping drain that. You don't want to touch your eye, because if you have an infection, if you touch your eye, you're just going to make it worse. So you want to pull to the side, and that will help just drain it, right? So when it drains, the inflammation starts decreasing, then you'll actually, the eye itch will actually decrease. Okay, this works for some people, it doesn't work for others. I want you to give it a try. You want to hold it for 30 seconds, okay? 30 seconds, and then you can wash your eye. Wash your eye, go splash some water, and then go pull it again, right? And you should see the inflammation decrease, and your itchiness should also decrease, all right? So you like this. You want more of these restoring function tips. It's not biohacking, it's restoring function tips, okay? Restoring function tips. So make sure you